How to use iTranslate on iPhone. So if you've ever heard of the iTranslate app on your iPhone, you've been wondering how you can use it as well. Well, the process is fairly simple, so let's jump right in. Now, first, you open up the iTranslate app, and this is the interface you will see. It will ask you to purchase the premium, but of course, you can always make do with the free version. So I'll simply cross this out. So as in when you start the app, this is the interface you will see. Now keep in mind that iTranslate is the app, but it is also a keyboard. So you can use this app as a keyboard by replacing the default iOS keyboard. But first, let's just start with the basics. By default, you're on the text tab. So here, whatever you type in right over here, you can translate it to any of the other languages. So you can choose a destination language over there as well by tapping on it, and then you could clear some of those and basically go ahead and translate those. Now, if you're not connected to internet but you still want to translate, you have to use some pre-downloaded language by tapping on offline mode right there, but it will require you to have premium. Let's move on to the next tab. We have camera, so we can actually scan what is in front of us, like in the paper or anything. We can also go to voice to translate a direct voice, and we can also go to phrasebook to basically add some of the essential phrases over here. Now we could go to keyboard option, and this is a keyboard extension, but for this you will need to have iTranslate Premium, which you can use iTranslate as a separate keyboard and start translating right within the keyboard. To give you a basic idea, this is how you can use iTranslate on iPhone. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.